Hi, today in this video we are going to be talking about how to change the position of our avatar. So maybe you have created your garment, applied your fabrics, styled your garment how you want it to lay, and you're ready to change the position of your avatar before you go into high resolution mode to save a render image. So we're going to open up our library and go into our avatar folder. And you'll just want to make sure you go into whichever folder that you have, that is the one where your avatar you have applied is. So this avatar right here, I believe she was in female version 2. And let's see, actually it might be female version. Yeah, female version 2 right here. So that's her. And this avatar, I believe she was in female version 2. And yes, there she is. So I'm going to go into the pose folder here in female version 2. And the poses are the same for version 1 and version 2, but you'll just want to make sure you go into the version that you're currently using to make sure that it can apply correctly and link to your avatar. This is where we have all of our poses. If we go into the icon view right here, you can see a preview of them a little bit bigger. And all we have to do to apply them is just click on the one that we might want. So if I double click on this pose, I can click OK, and my avatar will move into that position. Some of them where they're interacting with the body, like for example where the hand is on the hip here, this one can cause some simulation problems because the hand is going to be moving closer to the fabric. And so you might want to more strategically choose poses going from a certain one to another. For example, if the hand is moving from here to the hip, it could move the dress fabric up a lot. So it might be better for us to go into this position first, and then lower the arms to the hand on hip position from there. Because the position of the avatar will impact the fabric based on where it's moving. So if you have problems, you might want to think about going to the A pose here and then going to a different one if you're having problems with it. And so that is how we can adjust the avatar pose into one of the pre-created existing poses here.